So, go ahead, yeah.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're at MacArthur Park, and we're gonna get fake IDs.
MacArthur Park, okay, not Echo Park, all right? All right?
Echo Parky.
But yeah, we're at Langer's, man. This is like the famous spot right here on the corner of 7th and Alvarado. We've been hearing a lot about this spot. There was actually an article that came out saying they were gonna close it down, so made us come out here and check it out. Never been, I'm a virgin.
This is my first time going to this place, and I've been in LA for like almost my whole life.
It's so crazy living here how you can just never go to places, but it's so close. But we're gonna check it out. You know, hopefully you guys dig what we're about to get.
Let's go. And if you want to get fake IDs, let's go right here. So we're here at Langer's in LA, and there was an article.
We're in LA. It's like by Echo Park.
By Echo Park, eh? Wow.
So if you guys want to get something else besides food, there's the, as Ricky said it, black market in Echo Park.
Oh, so if you guys want an ID, driver's license, you can buy like passport, you can buy a green card.
I used to get my fake ID.
I got a fake ID here when I was like 16 years old.
Right there.
Too bad when I was 16, I looked like I was 12 still.
Yeah, you still look like you're 12. But yeah, man, so we're at Langer's, the famous Langer's. And we have the pleasure of having Lulu, who's an amazing waitress here. But she recommended the number 19 on this French roll right here. So it's not the rye bread that you guys are normally used to seeing, right? Then these bad boys right here. Look at that.
Look at that. Some chili cheese fries.
I get my workout right here, yo.
And then they stack pastrami on top. Ooh.
So if you guys have ever been to the Hat, it's a little different because the Hat, you know, they, this right here, if you look up there, hopefully Tim puts it up there this time when I do it.
Oh, that place that kicked us out?
Man, well, you are just salt. Here, hold on, let me get some salt for you. Where's the salt at? Anybody got some salt? All right, here we go.
That was good luck.
But yeah, so at the Hat, they actually make it really, really thin. Here, it's kind of cut like brisket, the way that Tim said. But I'm ready to dive in here. We've been waiting for this place.
And this place is pretty busy, right? They have a parking down the street. It gets packed where they close that parking lot, and then other places, I mean, you're gonna have to find street parking. It took us a minute. Not them, because this fool found parking right away. But here's a little tip. Take an Uber or take the train. Easier.
Yeah? Can we eat now?
Yeah, if you want to. Talk about salty.
I got it from you, bro. You're rubbing off. Holy shit.
Oh, man.
All right.
That is good.
Lulu is amazing. But this right here,
So that.
it's the coleslaw, bro.
Yeah. The coleslaw on top of it, especially, it just like really makes things perfect because that pastrami is nice and salty. Oh,
Like, I wasn't expecting all these flavors to just work together like this.
It's a good sized sandwich too.
Yeah. Considering that we're in our third place right now. Shit.
But you wouldn't know that.
You wouldn't know that.
But, so this is a full sandwich that they just chopped in half. Me and Trinell are sharing it because, as you can tell, this is good enough for one person. Let's try this fry.
Man, why are you taking so far away, bro?
Those fries are hot. That's money.
Tim. Still see the steam coming off of it?
Oh man, this is a really good chili cheese fries. Oh, this is fall. And it's still crispy, even when like soaked in this chili.
No, chili's good too, y'all. Big shout out to Lulu for recommending everything for us to get today.
This is my first time here, so I definitely got to come back here again because they got a bunch of other items on the menu. Bunch. Man, they had a pastrami hot dog, pastrami chili cheese dog.
They probably have one. We just probably didn't look hard enough. So by the way, there's a lot of stuff on this menu. So that's why we again asked Lulu for her assistance to kind of figure out what we wanted. made it real simple, and we just did it, like Nike.
But if you guys know any other pastrami spots, let me know.
Yeah. But again, if you guys have ever been to Echo Park, it's pretty dope. You guys can make a day out of it.
Wait, you gotta say it right. Echo Park.
No, man.
It's not Echo Park, guys.
It's not Echo Park. I'm sorry, MacArthur Park. Jeez.
No, we're at the wrong place. We're at MacArthur Park. But this place is good.
Oh. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, food was dope. Definitely check it out.
Hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you can
Ding,
watch
ding,
more
ding.
videos just like this one.
Yes, sir.
What else they gotta do?
Share it with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.